Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change your birthday on Instagram. So the first step is go to the application of Instagram, and after that here in your feed you need to go here in the option of your profile in the down part of the app, and after that you need to go to the option of Account Center. So in Account Center wait a minute, I translate this part of Instagram. You go to your profile, you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. This is the button of settings and activity. And now you need to go to Account Center, and here in Account Center you need to go to the option of personal detail. So this option of personal details is the option for change your birthday. In this option are a button for change the sun. So here in the Account Center you need to pick here in personal details, and in personal details you go to your birthday. Here, birthday. So in this part you pick an edit, and you can change the birthday with a calendar of Instagram. So this is the process. I did this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.